It's a wonderful experience to be here. Machine Maker has done a wonderful job getting all the upcoming industrialists to a common platform.
Rajan Gupta, Director, SS Tools. The Manufacturing Maestro of Ludhiana edition was felicitated by Hitesh Agarwal, Managing Director, Jagdeep Machines, and Rakesh Patel, CEO and MD, Fagor Automation India.
It's been an honor. I'm so grateful to be selected as the manufacturing master. It's a great initiation by you to really recognize manufacturers like us.
It's a great initiative by Mr. Hari, and I truly feel that whatever work my father has done till now, and this is the recognition that he should get, and this motivates us as well to work harder so that the future of India is better.
Getting appreciation like this at this platform to MSMEs, it's really very motivating, and I would feel it's a really good initiative. Congratulations, Hari.
It's a really honor for us to refer SS Tools as one of the manufacturing masters during the Ludhiana edition. And I hope the second generation will take this journey very long, and we are there for all the supports. Anytime we are there to support you, and I hope we have a bright future ahead.
So I think these sorts of events should happen more often in Punjab so that the industry has a cohesive front, I would say.